In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text font in Balsamiq. If you're looking to enhance the visual style of your wireframes, changing the font is a simple yet effective step that can make a big difference. So, let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Balsamiq and hit Enter. Now you'll likely see several results, but what you're looking for is the official Balsamiq website. This should be the first result, or the one with the URL balsamiq.com. Click on that link to proceed. Once you're on the Balsamiq homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Go ahead and locate the Login option, which you'll typically find at the top of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the Login page, where you'll need to enter your login details. Make sure you have the correct email and password handy to smoothly access your Balsamiq workspace. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the Balsamiq application. Here, you'll find the Project menu. This menu is a hub for various settings and options within Balsamiq, and it's where you'll make the necessary changes to your fonts. Click on Project, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Fonts and Colors. This option is where you can customize the appearance of your text and is a key feature for tailoring your wireframe projects to suit your specific design needs. After selecting Fonts and Colors, a dialog box will pop up. This is where you'll be able to adjust the font settings. Look for the Font drop-down menu within this box. This menu provides a list of available fonts, which in Balsamiq's case, includes a wide selection from the Google Fonts catalog. It's a great feature because it offers plenty of variety and flexibility for design preferences. Take your time to scroll through the list and find a font that fits the aesthetic you're aiming for in your project. Once you've made your choice, select the new font from the list. Finally, to apply this change, simply click OK. Once you do, you'll notice that the new font is applied to all text elements within your project. It's as easy as that. With just those simple steps, you've customized the typography of your wireframes, giving your project a fresh and tailored look. And there you have it, a straightforward process to changing the text font in Balsamiq. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you're now ready to make your wireframes even more engaging with personalized typography. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.